Do you have a big family and looking for a property that could hold everyone? Well, today we're taking a look at this amazing property. Has 6 bedrooms, over 3,300 square feet of living space, and we're in one of the nicest areas of Santa Rosa, Skyhawk. We're also right down the street from one of the highest rated elementary schools here in Santa Rosa, Austin Creek Elementary. We're also very close to a bunch of amazing hiking and biking trails, such as Sugarloaf, Jack London, Hood Mountain, Annadel State Park, Howarth Park, Spring Lake. We're just in such a beautiful area, as you can see behind me. I mean, look at these mountains right here. But can't wait to show you guys around inside. Let's go. So if you've been watching my videos, welcome back. And if you're new here, welcome to Sonoma County Living. My name's Logan, and this is the channel where I take you all throughout Sonoma County. We do neighborhood tours, property tours, just give you a little bit more of a deeper look on what it's like to live here in Sonoma County. But without further ado, let's take a look inside. Thank you so much again for joining me on this tour today. Now, if you like this tour and you want to see more property tours just like this, make sure you like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel.